Newcastle 1. Phase 5, Super Duper Mick. Neil. Super Gooners, top Gooners around the world, all crying, moaning, bitching. They've all had enough. They've all had to come to reality that this idiot, this fake fan, this toxic, negative channel called it 3 weeks before he got the job. Hold that, every single one of you that have lied through your teeth in hope he will come good. Not off of what you're witnessing. The 115 reasons to sack Super Duper Mick video stream may be coming sooner than we think. Super Gooner's tears. Oh, they don't want to associate with Lee Gunner. Tough, you're going to have to. Because I'm right again. Yeah. Spineless is embarrassing, is a disgrace. Absolutely embarrassing. One shot on target the entire game. Wow. Although, to be fair, that was one shot on target more than last season there. Improvement, guys. Phase 5. Maybe we can buy a cat. Yeah, maybe we can buy a cat next. I don't know. Maybe we can buy a cat, guys. Embarrassing. Spare a thought for all the people that went up there, by the way. 6 hours. And if you're on the coach, it probably would have been about closer to 9 hours. Half 12 kickoff. These players should reimburse every single one of them. Every single one of them. These fans that sit online chatting the utmost shit are the biggest single problem at this football club. And I've been telling you this for years and years and years. Before this manager, I was saying it about when Wenger was here. They kept him in the job too long. This club is finished until these fans get a backbone. But they won't. They're too busy trying to make friends online, trying to get the most traction, trying to go with what's fashionable to get the most traction rather than actually saying what people don't like to hear, but their actual thoughts. They'd rather go with what people would like to hear rather than what they actually believe, which is something that I don't do, which is why I'm called to be the villain for 5 years. Ultimately, you all finished this season. Yeah, I told you lot, we're in a top 4 race. You're negative. You're negative. Cool. Well, you're going to have to come to reality real soon if you haven't already. Yeah, bless up to everyone who watched the watch along, by the way. Peaked at nearly 6,000 people. Make sure you stick a thumbs up on this video. I'm going live for an emergency meeting. I've got 3 fan cams after this. Gail is going to join me. We're going to see if we can get Shino's bollocks on there as well. Doubt it. Highly unlikely. But apparently she's swerved now. Oh, I've had enough. Okay, cool. Well, maybe you can come and apologise to Northside then for talking to him like a twat the other week. Yeah? Because everything he said 3, 4, 5 weeks ago when you was on a show with him on Potts' channel, oh, yeah, it's happened. Cool. Maybe come with your fucking apologies. Because these men love to chat shit. Just to be seen as the positive fan so they can get a little sponsorship deal. Yeah, F your sponsors. I don't care. Real talk. F the sponsorship deals. Who cares? Oh, look at me. Yeah, I can get a little gig on 888.com. Or I can get a little gig at some American baseball team because I'm a super gooner. Piss off. These men are all wrong uns. Yeah, every single one of them. Yeah, they're all sellouts, the lot of them. Yeah, say what you think. Say what you mean and mean what you say. Stop saying what you think people would like to hear. Yeah, and it's not just them. Yeah, it's also people that run other channels. They know who they are. They don't even support our football club. Yeah. Different standards today, though. Not Arsenal and Arteta were embarrassed. It was Arsenal title trouble. But Liverpool lost the other week, and it was Slot and Liverpool embarrassed. Embarrassing loss. Okay, cool. Well, guess what? You're all going to have to wake up as well because this season you lot are finished. But don't worry, keep your eyes open, keep your head, your eyebrows up. Make sure, tactics, guys, tactics. Yeah, make sure you keep an eye on these people because they'll swerve it to Liverpool are scary next. Then Chelsea are scary. Oh my God, Chelsea needs stopping. Liverpool needs stopping. Man City are currently 1-0 down. As far as I'm aware, Liverpool are still 1-0 down. I ain't checked it. But guess what? Man City will win the league. We went backwards this summer. That performance today was a disgrace. Absolute disgrace. What did he say to him at half-time? Because inside 20 seconds in the second half, they nearly scored. I literally went downstairs to the underground car park. My missus went and done a food shop for me. Yeah, she texted me, I'm downstairs. So I went downstairs with 7 minutes to go of the game. I came back up, put the food bags down there. and I'd missed about 6 minutes of the game. It was going into the last minute. I said, did I miss anything? No. And then we see Declan Rice, who was the worst player on the pitch today, by the way. Absolutely awful. Awful. They were all awful. They were all awful. I can't lie. They were disgusting. Yeah, let me tell you something now. Yeah, Mikel Merino. I told you all, he ain't good. None of you lot watched Real Sociedad last season. Stop lying to yourselves. Stop lying to the public. Stop lying to strangers on the internet that you don't know. To look like a super gooner. I told you, he's trash. He's trash. When you actually watch these players, you can figure it out. I told you this manager was trash 3 weeks before he got the job. Why? How did I know that? Oh, because he hadn't fucking managed. Here you go, Mikel. Have the keys to Arsenal. Have 800 million. Spend it on a load of dross. Yeah, this guy will send us back 5 years. I said that. Go back and watch my video. I said he'll send us back 5 years. Yeah, and he's going to send us back 5 years. Everyone bangs on about how Unai left us a mess. Complete rubbish. This guy is going to leave a monumental mess. This guy is a snide, a fraud, and a shyster. The same as Edu, the same as Garlic, the same as the rest of them. Tim Lewis, they can all fuck off as well. Yeah, they've absolutely buried our football club. And as for them cronkies, yeah, you better pull the trigger, mate. Yeah, and I'm not talking about your trophy hunting, you frauds. Yeah, I'm talking about on this manager. Yeah, save our season. Go and get Inzaghi now, this weekend. I want to see this manager gone. I've had enough. I've had enough. I've had enough. What's the difference between what this guy's doing and Wenger? Oh, yeah, Wenger was getting top 4 and winning trophies. This guy's been to 1 final. Man United have sacked their manager who's been to 3 times more finals than Super Duper Mick in half the time. And they've sacked him and gone and got a proper manager. But we're still poncing around with Super Duper Mick and his dog. He. Yeah, tough afternoon in Newcastle, guys. Yeah, a journey to be proud of, guys. Yeah, anyone who backs this crap, you're a massive issue. You're the biggest problem. Because you're still backing this. For what? We're in the top 4 race. If Man City win, which I'd imagine they probably will, it's only 38 minutes gone, although they are losing. And it's away at Bournemouth. They've had a few chances, though. And if Liverpool win, they're clear. But even if they don't win, we're saying catching them. Nottingham Forest if they beat West Ham. I don't know what that score is. Let me check the scores. Yeah, they'll go above us. Spurs if they win tomorrow. Forest are 1-0 up, so they're going above us currently. Brighton, are above us. We're currently 5th. Brighton are still beating Liverpool. This is embarrassing. Yeah, but Lee, it's only 10 games in. And what? I've seen enough, mate. It's not just 10 games in. It's 5 years deep. Yeah, this guy is an absolute disgrace. Yeah, and he's had so many people on strings. Yeah, because you hope. Yeah, you hope. Yeah, after you just want to get stuck up him anyway. Yeah, because you're a zesty mob. Fancy all of our players. Oh, he's a good-looking lad. And what? Can he win me a title? No. Okay, bin. Bin him then. Simple as that. Go and get me someone who can win. And if the next manager can't, sack him as well. And if the next one can't, sack him as well. Way too many people in this fan base who are fixated with this manager. This manager is not it. These players are not it. Oh, but we're missing Odegaard. We're missing Odegaard. Like he's going to do anything. He's part of the problem. That guy's trash as well. I keep telling you lot. Yeah? I swear you lot have never seen proper footballers. Maybe you ain't. Maybe you weren't born in that era. At least learn the history of our football club. Martin Odegaard. What's he going to do? He's created 1 big chance since April. But this guy's going to come back and do what? Yeah, we've had shit shows like that, by the way, with him in the team. Fulham, West Ham, Newcastle last year. Oh, but we were robbed. We had 0 shots on target last year, guys. Yeah, I'm sick to death of it. Every single season that goes past, we are wasting time. Get rid of him. Go and get me Inzaghi. This is an absolute disgrace. No fight, no hunger. Yeah, they look like they were playing tranquilized again. Yeah, and you man are repping these players. Oh, but we've got an injury crisis. No, we haven't. The only player that's out injured, yeah, is Odegaard. Because none of you lot rate Tomiyasu that highly. And if you do, you ain't putting him in the team, are you? Let's be real with it. Nobody rates Tierney apart from me. Yeah, Calafiori, he's shit. I told you that. We're back in Italy in 2 years. He's crap. Who else we got injured? Who else is out injured? Oh, thank you. Exactly. Yeah, pathetic. Yeah, you man accepted this manager getting the job and never said nothing. You backed it all the way. That's embarrassing. The keys to one of the biggest clubs in Europe. Yeah, and you let a rookie take the job. Shame on all of you lot. I'm out. Everyone out.